Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to fix the Roblox error code 279. So let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go to the search bar right here and type in cmd, command prompt. Now right click it and run as administrator. Press yes, and from there command prompt will open up. Now the thing that's very important, so pay close attention, we're going to flush the DNS. So simply type in ipconfig spacebar /flush DNS. From there press enter. What this will do, it will flush the DNS cache, so your server runs smoothly again. From there we go to do another command, which is net sh winsock, and from there press reset. Now from here simply press enter again and it will reset the winsock catalog. Now this is very important to do these in order, and from there we can exit cmd. Now the following thing that we're going to do is set the DNS server. So simply go down to the search bar and type in network connections. Right here press enter and this will open up all your network connections. Now simply choose the one that you're using as of now, so don't use the ones with an X below it. So for me it's the Wi-Fi, so simply right click it, go down to properties, and this is very important that you go down to the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IP4 v4. So simply press OK. From there go to properties again, and from there go to Internet Protocol version 4 again and click to properties. And now what we will do is simply change the DNS server. So here we have the preferred DNS server, and now you use the following DNS server. Press 1 1 1 1. From here 1 0 0 1. Now this will change the DNS server to the fastest DNS server possible. From there press OK. Press OK. Obtain IP address automatically. Press OK again. Press close. And that's it. Now simply restart your laptop or computer and this should solve your error code. Now if you still get questions, leave them in the comments down below. Like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.